The Apple TV 4K is more than just a streaming box. Paired correctly with HomePod or HomePod Mini, it can deliver audio that rivals a full home theater, but only if it's set up properly. Many users assume the sound will automatically be perfect, but there are several critical steps that Apple doesn't clearly explain. Step 1. Update everything. Make sure your Apple TV 4K is running the latest tvOS. Outdated software can cause audio delays, weak bass, or HomePod disconnections. Then, update your HomePod or HomePod Mini via the Home app. Firmware updates improve spatial audio, latency, and overall sound. Step 2. Proper placement. HomePods use 360-degree sound and room analysis. Keep them at ear level, at least 6 to 10 inches from walls, and never in cabinets. For stereo pairs, ensure symmetry on either side of the TV. Step 3. Set HomePods as default. Go to Apple TV settings, right-pointing arrow video and audio, right-pointing arrow audio output, and select your HomePod or stereo pair as the permanent default. This ensures all apps and Dolby Atmos tracks play through your HomePods. Step 4. Enable Dolby Atmos. Turn on Dolby Atmos in audio settings for immersive spatial audio. Not all content defaults to Atmos, so select it manually when needed. Step 5. Optimize audio and Wi-Fi. Turn off, reduce loud sounds, to preserve full dynamic range. Connect Apple TV via Ethernet if possible, or ensure all devices are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Run Apple TV's wireless audio sync to fix lip sync issues. Step 6. Room sensing and volume. HomePods automatically calibrate to your space. Avoid soft surfaces that absorb sound. For best bass and clarity, keep volume between 50 to 75%. Step 7. Use high-quality content. Apple TV originals and high-quality Dolby Atmos content will show the true capability of your setup. Follow these steps, and your Apple TV 4K plus HomePod combo transforms into a cinematic, room-filling audio system that adapts intelligently to your space. Once everything is configured correctly, the difference is dramatic and impossible to ignore.